Welcome back to Autoverse, your place for the most exciting vehicles on the planet, from futuristic rides to rugged adventure machines. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our journey into the future of mobility. Now let's dive right into today's incredible machine. Imagine a vehicle that's as free as a motorcycle, as practical as a camper, and as futuristic as an electric car. That's exactly what the 2026 ERV Trike USA promises to deliver. It's a bold new step into the world of adventure vehicles, designed for solo explorers, digital nomads, and anyone who dreams of a life lived on the open road, without the bulk of a full-size RV. The ERV Trike is a fully electric, three-wheeled camper that combines compactness, efficiency, and off-grid capabilities into a sleek, modern package. Built from lightweight aerospace-grade aluminum and composite panels, it's designed to maximize strength while keeping weight as low as possible. Thanks to its aerodynamic shell and smart engineering, the ERV Trike can achieve a range of up to 250 miles on a single charge, making it perfect for long-distance touring as well as weekend adventures. Powering the ERV Trike is a state-of-the-art electric motor mounted to the rear wheel, delivering instant torque and a top speed of around 75 miles per hour. It's no speed demon, but it's more than enough for highways, scenic routes, and even some light off-road trails. And because it's electric, it's whisper quiet, meaning you can enjoy the sounds of nature instead of a roaring engine. One of the most impressive features of the ERV Trike is its integrated micro-camper unit. The camper pod offers a surprisingly spacious interior for a single traveler or a couple. Inside, you'll find a convertible sleeping area that transforms from a cozy bed to a compact seating space with a small fold-out table. Perfect for editing travel videos, writing a novel, or simply relaxing after a day of riding. There's a compact kitchenette fitted with a portable induction stove, a collapsible sink, and modular storage compartments for food and cooking gear. Smart design touches like magnetic mounts, fold-away surfaces, and adjustable lighting make the space feel larger than it is. Plus, thanks to a small onboard water tank and a portable toilet system, you can remain self-sufficient even in remote areas. Solar panels built into the roof keep your essential systems charged without needing to plug in constantly. A 300-watt solar array charges the 5 kWh auxiliary battery pack, running your lights, fridge, devices, and ventilation systems. It's all designed for the ultimate freedom: park anywhere, camp anywhere, live anywhere. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The ERV Trike features anti-lock brakes, traction control, adaptive cruise control, and even an emergency braking system. A full digital cockpit gives you navigation, battery monitoring, and system control at a glance. And thanks to its three-wheel stability, it offers much more confidence and balance compared to traditional two-wheeled motorcycle campers. The design language of the ERV Trike is clean, modern, and functional. LED lights, rugged tires, and a low center of gravity make it look both futuristic and capable. It's compact enough to park in regular spots but tough enough to take you down forest trails or dusty backroads. Customization is another highlight. Buyers can choose from different camper layouts, color options, solar upgrades, and even an optional all-wheel drive assist system for better off-road capability. There's also an adventure package with roof racks, a tow hook for lightweight trailers, and a reinforced suspension kit for rough terrain. Pricing for the ERV Trike starts at around $19,000 USD, making it incredibly accessible compared to full-sized camper vans or RVs. Fully loaded versions with all the options can reach closer to $28,000, but even then, it's a bargain considering the freedom it offers. No expensive gas stops. No RV park fees. Just you, your trike, and the open road. This new category of adventure trikes might just spark a revolution in how people travel in the future. Light enough to be nimble. Tough enough to be practical. Smart enough to be sustainable. The 2026 ERV Trike USA isn't just a vehicle. It's a lifestyle statement. If you're the type who craves independence, minimalism, and a deep connection to the road, this might be your ultimate dream machine. It's a perfect example of how technology and adventure spirit can come together to create something truly special. Thanks for watching Autoverse, where we explore the vehicles that are changing the way we move, explore, and live. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell so you don't miss any of our latest adventures. Drop a comment below and tell us, would you hit the road full-time on a machine like the 2026 ERV Trike USA? See you next time on Autoverse.